Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you turn on this sign on how you can do that on your Google Chrome app. So all you have to do, you just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for your list like this, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings here, and it's going to check here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on sync, and it's going to check here in this window. Then you just go down here and you come here to Google Activity Controls. Here you will click and it's going to take you here in this window. Then you just go down here. So in all you have to do now, so just come here to auto delete. You will click here and it's going to take you in this window. Then you come here to auto delete activity older than, and here can you choose month here and or months here. So then you just click here on next, and it's going to add video, and you click here on confirm, and it's going to add video on your Google Chrome app, and you can go back and it's going to work with you on your Google so Chrome like this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.